Hey everyone, welcome back to modestmoney.com's YouTube channel. Are you looking to enhance your investment strategy and wondering if Seeking Alpha is the reliable tool you need? Stick around because I'm about to dive into everything you need to know about this popular investment research platform. As investors, we all want to make informed decisions that will help us achieve our financial goals. Seeking Alpha, known for its vast community of knowledgeable investors, offers a unique blend of insights from both professionals and everyday users. But how reliable is it really? I'll help you answer this question by looking at what it offers, its track record, and the user ratings it has received. If you decide to give Seeking Alpha a try, I suggest clicking the link in the description below for a limited time offer that helps you save 20% off your subscription costs. All right, I want to start with what is most important to me, the results. In terms of investing, I think a service is reliable if it achieves the desired results, which is market-beating profits. Judging solely by the platform's historical performance, Seeking Alpha is reliable. Seeking Alpha has a track record of strong returns, outperforming the S&P 500. For example, their strong buy rated stocks have an average return of 27%, compared to just over 10% for the S&P 500 as a whole. That's a significant edge for any investor looking to gain a quantitative advantage. Another way I like to judge a platform's reliability is by checking out its reviews. Let's dive into some Trustpilot reviews to see what people are saying. Seeking Alpha boasts a solid 4.2 star rating, which is considered great. I personally love reading individual reviews because they offer real insights. For example, this reviewer mentioned how he had a question about interface changes and received an immediate, detailed response from customer service. It's such a breath of fresh air to actually talk to a human who helps resolve your issues efficiently. This reviewer highlights some of his and my favorite features of Seeking Alpha. He appreciates the ability to create a portfolio, track daily news, and access ratings from quant to Wall Street analysts. To me, the market-beating returns and great customer ratings are the result of the powerful features offered by Seeking Alpha. The features are what gives the platform its value. One of my favorite features is the extensive library of articles. These articles cover a wide range of topics, from fundamental analysis and investment strategies to market news and stock picks. Whether you're a casual investor looking for some advice or a research-driven investor who likes to dig deep into the data, Seeking Alpha has something for everyone. The article sidebar is another standout feature. It enhances the user experience by providing a stock price chart, stock details, and author ratings right next to the article. This is incredibly helpful for distinguishing between credible and non-credible authors. You get valuable insights into market sentiment and author credibility, which is crucial for making informed investment decisions. When it comes to investment ideas, it's clear to me that Seeking Alpha really shines. They categorize over 10,000 articles per month into types like long ideas, editor's picks, and stock ideas by sector. This makes it easy for me to navigate potential investments across different market segments. I love how detailed their IPO analysis is, offering insights into one of the most challenging investment sectors to price accurately. Now, I want to talk about the Quant Rating System. Seeking Alpha has a proprietary quant rating that rates assets from strong sell to strong buy. It's a powerful tool for investors looking for a quantitative edge. The platform claims that a portfolio based on their strong buy ratings could significantly outperform the S&P 500. Factor grading is another essential feature. Seeking Alpha offers factor scorecards for over 5,600 individual stocks. These scorecards include grades for valuation, growth, profitability, momentum, and revisions, updated daily. This is perfect for both short-term and long-term investors. Another popular feature is their stock screener. It not only includes standard stock data, but also incorporates stock ratings and author analysis. You can even create custom stock screeners to suit your specific needs. For those who need to stay updated, Seeking Alpha provides portfolio alerts and monitoring. You can sync the platform with your brokerage and receive real-time email alerts about your assets. One of the things I like about this feature is how customizable it is. You can choose which holdings in your portfolio you receive alerts for, and if you want the alerts to be through email or mobile. This feature helps streamline your investing process and ensures you don't miss critical information. One of the best aspects of Seeking Alpha is the diversity of its contributors. You'll find insights from a wide range of backgrounds and investment strategies, helping you make well-informed decisions. The platform also offers in-depth research and analysis on various stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds, which is invaluable for diversifying your investment portfolio. Lastly, the community aspect of Seeking Alpha cannot be overlooked. Engaging with other investors, following expert contributors, and participating in discussions can significantly enhance your investment strategy. It's like having a network of knowledgeable investors at your fingertips. You can rely on this community to help crowdsource ideas and learn about counterarguments and opposing views. So, is Seeking Alpha reliable? From my experience and all the data we've explored, I can confidently say that Seeking Alpha has proven itself to be a trustworthy investment research platform. With its proven track record, high user ratings, and rich features, Seeking Alpha seems reliable. But it's only reliable if used correctly. Seeking Alpha has over 18,000 contributors creating articles through the years. So naturally, not all articles are created equally. As an investor, you can't blindly trust all articles and opinions as fact. You need to use your own judgment to discern quality analysis from the rest. Luckily, the article sidebar feature is a fantastic tool to help you decide if an author is trustworthy. The article sidebar isn't the only tool at your disposal to help gauge the quality of the article you are reading. Engaging with the community and diving into the comments section of articles is another great way to gain a broader perspective and identify any shortcomings in the author's analysis. This community-driven approach allows you to tap into a wide range of expert opinions and experiences, making it a valuable part of the investment research process. When it comes to pricing, Seeking Alpha offers several subscription options. The basic plan is free, but quite limited. At the time of writing this, the Alpha Premium plan is priced at $239 per year. This gives you access to more in-depth features and tools. For those looking for even more, the Unlimited Pro plan is currently available at $2,400 per year, offering the most comprehensive suite of features for serious investors and professionals. If this price seems a bit steep, don't worry. By using my limited time, exclusive link in the description, you can save 20% off your premium membership. To wrap up, if you're an active investor or a fundamental investor looking for a reliable stock research platform, Seeking Alpha's extensive resources and active community make it a strong contender. Just remember, while it offers incredible tools and insights, the key to success lies in how you use them. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more investment insights. See you in the next video.